Okay guys, welcome to your 11th tutorial on html5, and in this we're going to go back and revisit this website we actually built. Okay, so I'm after typing it all out instead of wasting your time looking at me typing, but I want to do that. So what I've done is I've added in this div. Okay, see this here? So this is a wrapper, and I've wrapped this around the whole website. Okay, so we have our div. Now, then what I did was here I gave IDs to everything, right? So the div ID is the div. The header. Give it to the nav, give it to the section, because I added a second article in here. As you can see, there's my article too, just to beef it up a little bit. The side is the side, and the footer, well, guess what? It's called the footer, okay? Now, within here to this, right? So for the overall website, I give it a margin of 0 pixels and a padding of 0, because browsers are different, so you have to tell them. For H2 and H3, so this gets in as shown here 24 pixels Arial, bold, and then the nav, what I've done is given a padding of 30, a background color of pink so you can see it. And then I've taken all my main tags, the header, the nav, the H group, the section, the article, the side, and footer, and I've got it as display block. Right? So I want them in a block form, and that will show you in a block form, right? For the text, I decided to body the text align at the center. Okay, so my text on my website should be right down here in the middle. Okay, I've given this whole website a border of 2 pixels solid red, just to show you. I've given my website a width of 1200, right? And then I've given it a margin from the top here of the website of 25 pixels auto. So auto, whatever happens to the rest will happen. Then I align the text inside this to the left. Okay, now when I run that, this is what you get. You see, there's my 25 pixels here. This is my 1200 wide. This is my top part of the nav. I show you in pink. Then you see I've done the headers here, the different codes from. Okay, the text has now gone to the left as I'm showing you here. And what else can I say about this? Let me see. Well, that's basically everything I wanted to show you here so far. So if you would copy that out or work on that, you should have no problems. And join in the next one, and we keep moving on with the CSS. Alright, see you then. Take care. Bye bye.